Good morning, students. By continuing the chapter decimal, chapter 3, the next topic is division. On dividing any decimal number by 10, the decimal place point is shifted towards the left by one place, because here 0 is followed by only by one number. Okay, so if in the division the decimal point will be shifted towards the left, but in the multiplication the decimal place point is shifted towards the right. And in the next case, if any decimal number is dividing by 100, the decimal place is shifted towards the left, but how many places? 2 places, because here are 2 zeros, and so on. Suppose if any decimal number is dividing by 1000, then the decimal place point is shifted towards the left by 3 places. Take some example, like 6.8 divided by 10, so it will be 68. Okay, but the decimal point will shift it towards the one place towards the left. It will be 0.68. The next one is 34.8 divided by 10. So this decimal place will shift it towards the one place. The answer will be 3.48. And if next example, 34.8 divided by 10, here there are 2 zeros, so the decimal place point will shift it towards the left 2 places. This point will shift it towards the here 2 places. So answer will be 0.348. And the next example is 343.8 divided by 1000. So here are the 3 zeros, so this point will shift it towards the left 3 places. The answer will be 0.3438. And here this is known as divisor and this is known as dividend. But this rule will not apply if the dividend is 10, 1000, 100 and the dividend is any decimal number. Okay, this rule will apply only when the divisor is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, whatever. Okay, now the next topic is dividing a decimal by a whole number. This topic you can do by 2 ways. The first way is 9.6 divided by 6. So simply 6 divided by 9.6, because the divisor is 6 and dividend is 9.6. So simply you divide it. 6 ones are 6, and here is a point, you put the point here also. Now the next one is 36. 9 minus 6, 3, and 6 will come here. 6 is 36. Means to say that wherever we get the decimal point in dividend, put the decimal point in the quotient also on the same place. Again I am repeating, 6 ones are 6, the remainder is 3. Here point will come, here point is there, so we'll put the point in the quotient also. Then 6 will brought down, it will be 6 is 36, the remainder is 0. Another way, same example, 9.6 divided by 6. Okay, so here the point is one place. Okay, so answer will be 16, but the point will come after one place towards the, will start from the right hand side. Suppose 2.4 divided by 3. So here it is, the point is after the one place, so the answer will be simply 8. 3 8 is 24, but the point will also come towards the left hand side one place. So answer will be 0.8. Here 2.43 divided by 3, here it is 2 place, after 2 place the decimal is there, so answer will be 81, and decimal will also come after 2 place. The next one is that if on dividing a decimal by a whole number, the last remainder is non-zero, it means remainder will not a 0. In such a case, insert as many zeros on the right of decimal part on the extreme right of the decimal part of the dividend as necessary to make the remainder 0. This topic we will solve here. It will be more clear. 48.38 divided by 8. Okay, so we'll start. 8 6 are 48. 3 is there, but the after there is a point. We'll put the point here also. 38. So 3 will come. We'll put the 0 because 3 is not possible to divide with the 8. Okay, so 8 will come here. To bring the 8 here, we have to put the 0 here. So 8 4s are 32. The remainder is 6. Now 6 is a remainder is non-zero. So we will put the 0 here. Okay, to bring the 0 here. This 0 will come down towards the here. Now 8 7s are 56. Remainder is again the remainder is 4. It is also a non-zero. So again we'll put the 0. There will be 40. 8 5s are 40. The remainder is 0. It means if on dividing a decimal by a whole number, the last remainder is non-zero. Like here 6 is remainder and here is 4 is remainder. In such a case, insert as many zeros on the right of decimal part of the dividend. So we are inserting the 2 zeros here to bring the remainder 0. So the answer of this one is 6.0475. By this concept, you can do the exercise 3D. Thank you.